English shorthand 80 words per minute. Students, ready for dictation. Habit of growing confidence can be developed if there is genuine desire to achieve something in life. This, together with little but a definite initial achievement, can develop confidence. For example, someone determines to learn shorthand. First and foremost, he should have a genuine desire to pursue the studies, and he should pursue his studies with due concentration of mind, with greater grasping or understanding. He should also do adequate repetition, which will bring him confidence, because there will be a little but definite achievement on his part. Consistency in regular practice will develop his perseverances, due to which he will constantly feel himself very near to the ambitions he may have fostered. If he is a deep observer, he will start feeling self-motivation, resulting in taking more and more interest in shorthand studies. This is a sign of presence of strong will and grasping. Para. By maintaining consistency, one will find change in his way of thinking, greater confidence, thereby signifying broad understanding, leading to a positive attitude towards anything he does. Para. Those who are slow or indolent in their life but have a hidden desire to progress and prosper in their life can do so by taking inspiration. What if requires is an attitude and aptitude and effort to take inspiration. For example, someone may be talking very well with good command on any language. Inspiration from such speaker can be taken by others who are interested in developing their speaking ability. Someone may be master in sports, but those who see him in action can try to acquire similar skills by observing performance of such a sports person. Remember, this will give a tremendous boost for the inspiration taker. Someone may be writing and reading book with fluency and flair shorthand notes. Those who have good observation and will to grow further and acquire mastery would be motivated. There can be no better inspiration than self-motivation. Thank you, students.